Wala guys, we're making other. Thank you guys. Gonna make it then. Sorry! Yung ibang shape naman guys. Circle shape kasi yan guys. Then ito is panay shape. Ito kita ba ini kinabibot ko din. Ano ba? Wait, you make it parang see you later guys. Wait lang. So I shake it. I'm gonna shake it out. For the sugar content ko naman you shake it. Shake. Bisaya min ako guys.
Mapagod yun na. Yung. Ano sa'yo yan eh?
Oh.
Dali, digay. Ako luto, be.
Hi guys. They are so annoying. It's gonna be brushing my hair at home. Guys.
Ano siya?
They're so messy. My hair. What's this guys? Did I wear this? So, you are not gonna suffer. I'm tiger. So, may part 4 pala guys.